Hello everyone. In last video, we have finished for displaying dynamic content for website. In this video, we are going to create a detail page when a user clicks on the detail, the links that say detail. It should bring up information about just that record. Let's start by opening up the text editor. And before we create a detail page, we are going to do something. We go up onto the top of the page at up at HTML text. We put a doc type HTML. Let's say HTML command HTML file declaration. The doc type HTML it means it should be a declaration about HTML file, and save the file. All we need to do is to create a new file and save what the file to eCommerce CMS tutorial folder, and inside the eCommerce CMS tutorial folder we save it to in loose folder, and let's call this file header.php and click on the save button. We come back in this .php file, select all and select all of these header wrapper and set it to cut up and move it to a header.php file that here. Let's save the file and come back index.php file. We just need to create a PHP code and we include a function include folder / header.php, and let's save the file. Try out in web browser. We load the page. Let me see. We with some problem here. This is a search engine field. It has laser. We just need to come back to the style.css file, and we seal up and find a search engine CSS. Let's change it to 75% and save the file. Come back to a web browser and load the page. You see, it looks nicer. Now we are going to create a detail page. We come back to a text editor and create a new file. Let's say the file should eCommerce CMS tutorial folder, and I call this detail.php. Let's save the file. And create another file and save with a file show in loose folder, and let's call this folder.php. Save it. We come back to index.php file and show down with a mouse. Let's select all of this line and run this color, move it to folder.php and paste it here. Here save the file and go to index.php file. I put PHP code and include function include folder slash folder.php. Let's save the file and check out in the web browser without the page. Let's see. It has work fine. You come back to the index.php file. Set copy of this line, and we copy this file and we can control on Windows, control C. Just copy of the line and move to go to the detail.php file and paste that here. And save the file. We go to the content. We go to product box ID, and inside the product box ID we will delete this. Let's save the file and go to web browser. We will load the page. This one detail link. Detail. This come back to eCommerce tutorial. Detail. We just change it to details of PHP file and open this web browser. Here load the page once again. You see. Let's take a look at this parameter. Row ID equal 13. This is a get variable row ID. We come back to the detail.php file and inside the product box ID we just need to create a PHP code and create a if statement. If is get row ID and echo get pro ID, and we set the file. Let's check out in web browser without a page and use it. This was displayed on a website and 13 with ID 13. Let's website is on another link. This is on this detail. You say this is a get pro ID equal to 12. We just need to create a variable pro ID product ID is equal to variable get pro ID, and sometimes field line, and we use a MySQL query to execute SQL select statement. Let's type variable run query by pro ID is equal to MySQLi query, and specify a variable con. Go ahead and we put the SQL statement. Let's type select all from products where product ID equal to variable product ID, and semicolon. We are going to use a while loop to fetch a result from a database. Just create a variable while loop function and a variable row is equal to MySQLi fetch array. And secret this variable and put that here. It means parameter and inside while loop we are setting some variable. We go back to the function.php file and find a get row function here. We set the p of the line with this, and go show this place that here. Let's save the file and let's try out in web browser with a lot of page. You say that works, and with just a record with ID 12. We with on home page, and let's try this detail, and you say web file. It's on yeah, you say it's just it's like the record ID 14 Okay, we have finished for creating a detail page, table option, and see you next video.